Yo, what is up? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building like a game, but I'm only supposed to use the toolbox. Yeah. So I'm gonna be going for a military-like game, and that means we need to start off with a base, right? Like a military base. It's gonna be sick. Ready? Transition montage. Boom. Editor, do your thing. Okay. I can see what we're going with. This looks like an actual military base. Alright. It's just missing something. I need a flag. That's what I need. Ooh, this one's perfect. Perfect. This reminds me of the military plastic games. Am I the only one that played that? Hello? Alright, time for yet another montage. In like 3 seconds. 3, 2, what comes after 2? Or before 2? Ah, yes, 1. Alright, finally, now that that's done, we can finally get on to the important stuff. Done with these stupid bases. That was so time consuming. I don't know why. For me, at least. You guys just had it for I don't know how long. For however my editor wanted to put it. But anyway, we can finally get on into the important stuff. For the battleground. Yay! Gosh, this is so time consuming. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some casual, broken down, destroyed items in the middle of the map. Yeah, you see that? That's tough so far. I'm gonna copy paste. I think I might have copy-pasted more than one. Hold on, let me check. Oh. Yeah. Goodbye. What about over here? Alright, we got 1. 2. 3. Oh, just 3. Thank goodness. Oh, if that was any more, I would have been here for ages. Right? That looks good. We got some. This is looking great. Alright, so next we could probably get some tanks. Not battle tanks, you know, like tanks with liquid in them. You know what I'm talking about? No? Okay. Alright, now I'm thinking about going with, like, Sky. Ooh, this one's nice. The original OG Battle-fired Sky thingy. Huh. Alright. I think I added too many barrels. I think we might be good now. I think we might almost be done. I think I'm missing. I need to watch. Ooh, I think I might need to watchtower. Yeah, this one's nice. So this is me editing this right now. I don't know why I said I think 5 times in a row. Too big. That's too big. Wait, never mind. That's too big. That's way too big. I'm gonna size it down real quick. Alright, that's good. That should be good. Add one more for the other team. Oh, that's perfect. That's the perfect place. That's the perfect place. Alright, now let me just do... You gotta be kidding me! You know what, I'll just put it here instead. This looks great, honestly. I'm just kidding, it still needs some more pizzazz, or whatever you want to call it. Let's add some more luggage, weird stuff put in, you know. Ooh, this looks nice. This is great. Broken down helicopter. Okay, so now that the helicopter's in the right spot, about right now, that looks pretty good. Alright, we're adding slowly to the battlefield. What else should I add? This is looking good. Terrain. I should add terrain. What if we... I have an idea. What if we, like, just indulge a giant thing out of the ground? Let's do it! I am finished. I think I finished. I just need to do a couple touch-ups. I'm done. I finished. Heck yeah. Now what? I think I'm gonna post the game and play it with my friends. So, I just realized and remembered that Roblox won't let me post this and play it because I don't have, like, the weird pass that they want me to get, so I'm gonna just spawn in some gun NPCs and, you know, just casually put them around the map, like I'm doing so, and play it. Alright. I think I'm ready to play. Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna play the game. Alright. What the? Whoa. What does it mean? Pause. So apparently one of the items I added into the game made it glitch out, and it was a virus, kind of. So I'm gonna have to remake the entire thing, and I'm not gonna show that. So here's me playing the other map. Time to bring out the big guns.